The 2011 Tōhoku Tsunami. This was one of the biggest natural disasters we have seen in recent years. What exactly happened? It was March 11th, 2011 in Japan. An 8.9 earthquake hits the northeast of Tokyo. And minutes after, the Japan Tsunami Warning Center issues that a tsunami is going to hit the Japanese coast. An hour later, 30-foot tall waves hit the Japanese coast. This basically affected all of Japan, causing 1,134,000 buildings that were affected and a total financial cost approximately reaching 199 billion US dollars. After the tsunami hit, 11 reactors at 4 sites in Japan were shut down, and 4 of them lost all the power and were damaged, causing some nuclear activity near those zones. But now let's talk about the scientific explanation of this event. It is important to mention that tsunamis are greatly caused by earthquakes. Here in this bar chart we can see the causes of tsunamis. We can attribute 75% to earthquakes, 10% to unknown, 8% to landslide, 5% to volcanic, and 2% to meteorological. So we can basically assume that most of the tsunamis are caused because of earthquakes, as we saw in the example that we're talking right here in the 2011 Tōhoku earthquake and tsunami that happened in Japan. So the speed of a tsunami depends on the depth of the water it is in. So if there is more depth of water, the tsunami will increase its speed. So we know that in deep oceans, tsunamis can move around 800 kilometers per hour, basically as fast as a jet. But the more they reach the coast, their speed decreases. Also, something to point out is that in deep oceans, the height of these tsunamis can rarely be seen, as they only reach more or less 1 meter. So as tsunamis enter the coast, their speed decreases, but the thing that happens is that their waves grow in height, as well as the currents intensify. So most likely at the shore, most tsunamis will slow at the speed of a car, but more or less they will reach some bigger heights. In this case, the 2011 Tōhoku tsunami reached a height of almost 30 meters.